You know what? Life feels calmer, but it's also picking up. I'm moving with intention and things are starting to come alive again. Raise your hand if 2025 was the craziest year of your life. Okay, but same. However, 2026, we are moving with clarity and intention. We're back. We are so back. We're so back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness. I missed you guys. Like, I seriously missed you guys. I feel like I have not been consistent with vlogs. I feel like I just have not been my real, raw, authentic self. And it's honestly because your girl has had a lot transpiring in her life. I'm here to give y'all the rundown. I need to give y'all the tea. So grab your cup, fill it up, take a sip. Now, bring it in. So, I'm learning that life does not pause when things are shifting. You still wake up, you still take care of your body, you show up for your child, you keep it moving. There is something so grounding about that. Realizing that you're capable of holding change and normal life at the same time is kind of crazy.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life.
Like the perception of things, especially what you see on social media and what everybody else is doing for your life. Do you want to change anything?
Really not. I feel like since we went shorter, they last like really
Longer?
long.
Short to long, dark lash line.
Literally, I feel like they're literally still here.
No, they aren't. Just some gaps.
Yeah. Like, bro, and I'm an hour away, so.
Let's go back a little.
I'm also reminding myself that taking care of me doesn't have to be a big thing. Sometimes it's just the small moments like this. Slowing down, resetting, doing something that makes me feel put together.
There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. But when I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change.
Hi. What's up? Suck. Good morning. Say good morning. Today I get my hair done. Say bye-bye.
No.
You better say bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.
I wanted something new, not dramatic, just intentional, something that feels aligned with where I'm headed, not where I've already been.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know, we both can play. For tonight, I'm yours, so that
So y'all are probably like, where's Josh? Where is Zion's dad? Well, me and Josh will no longer be co-parenting together. We have been co-parenting together for a while now, and it's been really healthy. It's been cool, you know, all the things. But very soon we will be co-parenting separately, and I am just very proud of us for being this mature, because the way that we're handling this without any toxic energy, it's very peaceful. Let's give us a round of applause. Yes, yes. We actually just had a conversation at the start of the year and was like, we need clarity. We need to figure out what we're doing for ourselves. Like, are we happy here? Do we really want to be here? And it's okay if we don't want to be here. What's the point in trying to make something work if it just doesn't work? You know, you can try all you want, but if something is constantly failing, what is the point? Like, I want both of us to be happy, I'm not gonna lie. And of course, it took me like some time to get here mentally, because I did come from a divorced family, not a two-parent household, and I didn't want that same story for my son. So yeah, I just had to share that with y'all, because y'all have seen me through so many walks of life. I feel like this is such a real topic and a real situation that so many people go through, unfortunately. But I feel like, why would I not talk about that? Like, it's my life. I'm literally sharing my life online. Like, why would I hide that? That's a huge part of my life to freaking not share, honestly. So I just hope that y'all accompany me on this journey and you enjoy living together with me, because we have so many adventures, girl. Enjoy my Living Together diaries. Bye, bestie. Being in the right spaces makes everything feel lighter, and honestly, I've been choosing environments that ground me, stretch me, and remind me what actually matters.
Let's go, Change Family. We here, let's go.
So, I don't have everything figured out, but I am moving with clarity, and that's enough for right now.